Shit. Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. All of you, please open your cameras. Everybody, open your camera. Hurry up. Yes, very nice. Shaurya Solanki. What about others? Hamza, Simran, Ayan. Okay, let me just mark today's attendance. Shaurya Solanki. And then we have Hamza. Hamza, Simran, Ayan, Kritika. Kritika and Asfa Wasim. Okay, Simran Kumari present. All right. For the last time, I'm telling, please open your cameras so that we can begin the class. At least show me your faces once. I want to see who all my students are. I will not begin the class. Come what may. Okay, that's Yash Tikyani and Simran. Very nice. Hamza. Hamza, that did not mean that you will close your camera immediately. Just keep it on. Divyansh and Asfa. What about you? Just open your camera. That's Divyansh Shahi. Shahi. Okay, children, tell me what is the status of your books? Have you got your French books?
No, ma'am.
No? How many of you have it? Okay, very nice. Soham Agarwal. Very good. Nobody has the book?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I have.
All right.
Ma'am, I have.
Soham has it. And who else?
I'm two books. What is the name?
Two books. One is the workbook and the other one is the method, right? Méthode de français, isn't it? These are the two books that you're having.
Ma'am, what are the name of the books?
Children, what is wrong with this class?
Ma'am, today I will bring it. Ma'am, today
Okay.
I will bring it.
All right, beta. What is wrong with this class? This is the only class that is putting the cameras off. Why so? Are you still not out of your sleep that you want to close your camera and just sit and relax? All right. In the last class, what did we do? How many of you attended the last class? Or is it the first class?
Ma'am, second.
Second class, right. So what did we do in the last
Wow.
class?
Ma'am, we do, ma'am, bonzo, bonsu, and
Bonsoir.
bonjour,
And
bonsoir, bonjour, and joie, soy, newt, less. And
what's that, beta? Say it again.
less salutation.
Okay, les salutations. All right. So I'm just going to do a quick revision. All those who are attending the class for the first time, please take out your French copies. You're supposed to make a French copy for the whole session in which you're going to do all the work that I do in the class and all the work that is given in the book. Is that fine? We're just going to maintain one copy.
Ma'am, we have to make two-side copy
Yes,
or one.
two-side ruled, beta, two-side ruled. Okay, so everybody write down today's date and let's begin. All of you can see the board, right?
Books.
Okay, today is we are going to do les salutations. Now, what is salutation? That is, in English also we have come across this word. You must have come across this word, which we pronounce as salutations. But in French, it is not called salutations. See, children, you're all together going to learn a new language. A new language means new way of pronouncing words and altogether new rules, new pattern, new structure. Is it clear? If you would have opted for Sanskrit also, you would have come across many different kinds of rules. So every language works on some rules and structures which have to be followed. Okay, while we speak Hindi or English, उसमें भी तो हम कितने rules follow करते हैं ना? We just can't join words without any meaning or without any link with each other. If we are talking about a pencil, तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? Pencil गिर गई. We don't say pencil गिर गया. Right? So these are different rules that any language incorporates. Similarly, in French, we are going to learn different rules from the beginning. So first thing that we have is the pronunciation is altogether different. You have to pronounce it the way it is. So what is the pronunciation of this one? Everybody will speak. This is les salutations.
Les salutations.
Very nice.
Les salutations.
Very nice.
Les salutations.
Les salutations.
Les salutations.
All right, Hamza, very nice, very good. Now do one thing, everybody just write down the pronunciation in brackets so that when you speak it next time, you remember it. You don't make any mistake.
Ma'am, what we have to do in the fair notebook?
Fair notebook, you have to write what I'm writing on the board. Can you see it? Is it clear to all of you, the blackboard?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So these salutations, what are salutations? They are the greetings. What is the English translation of this expression? The greetings. How do we greet people in different times of the day. Like suppose we meet somebody in the morning, how do we greet that person? By saying good morning. How do we greet somebody in the evening? Good evening. How do we greet somebody when we say goodbye, when we are departing? We say bye. So we are going to learn these greetings in French. Fine, show me a thumbs up. Yes. Very nice. We have already done 3 greetings in the previous class. So, quick revision. What is good morning? Good morning in French is bonjour. Everybody say bonjour.
Bonjour.
Yes. Bonjour. Now, whenever you meet, whenever you wish me, whenever you wish me in the next time we meet, you're not going to say good morning to me. You'll say bonjour, madame. Madame is ma'am. Okay? Bonjour, madame. Everybody.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madame.
How do we spell
Bonjour,
it?
madame.
Bonjour. You must have heard of this brand in socks. How many of you have heard of this brand in socks? We get socks of this brand.
Bonjour, madame.
Yes. And people often make a mistake by saying bonjour. Bonjour ki socks. Isn't it? So the correct pronunciation is bonjour. Bonjour means good morning. Write it right in front of it. Good morning.
Ma'am, I have written.
Very nice. Then we have bonsoir. Bonsoir means
Good evening.
Ma'am, we have to write. Ma'am, we have to write in front of good morning. Bonjour.
in front of bonjour, you're going to write good morning. Okay?
Okay.
Even if you meet somebody in the daytime, noon time, you wish good morning only. Actually, bonjour. Bon means good and jour means day. So it is like good day. But it is used to wish good morning, and you can also write in the bracket, putting a slash day. Good day. Clear? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then, how do we wish good night? Yes, Soham, tell me, how do we wish good night?
Ma'am, bonne nuit.
Yes, that is because you did not write the pronunciation. That is why you're pronouncing it in a wrong way. So now what you will do is everybody will write the pronunciation in bracket. Okay? Along that word, just write down the pronunciation. We wish good night by saying bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Everybody remember that this T in the end is silent. Good
Bonjour.
night. Okay? So, once
Ma'am,
again,
please wait a minute, ma'am. I am writing.
okay, you are writing.
Ma'am, please take a slide.
Bonjour, bonsoir, bonne nuit. Bonsoir. Children often make mistake by saying bonsoir. It's not soir, it's soir. R is a left silent kind in the end, and we give a little H sound. So we say bonsoir, bonsoir. Okay? Shall I proceed?
Ma'am, I am on second.
Soham, we also did a little introduction, right? telling our name and age, isn't it? Yes or no, beta?
No.
No, you have not written that. Okay, so maybe in other class I did it. Shall I proceed?
Ma'am, I am on last.
Yes? Done it? Okay.
Ma'am, please get a side. Ma'am, done.
Okay. So, bonjour is like when you meet somebody who is a little formal, where you have a little formal relation. Now, suppose if you meet your friends, how do you wish them? How do you wish your friends when you meet them? Tell me. Do you say good morning to your friend? Do you ever say good morning or good day? What do you say?
Good morning. Hi, how are you?
Yes, hi or hello. So, what is that hi and hello in French? That is salut. S-A-L-U-T. Now, T again is silent. Salute. Salute means hello or hi.
Ma'am, what we write good afternoon in French?
Okay, I'll tell you that also, beta. We'll come to that. Good afternoon is bon après midi. Après means after. Good after and noon. Midi is noon. Bon après midi. Good afternoon. Written?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
what we written after born? Born. Ma'am,
Here,
what we written after born?
A-P-R-E-S.
Yes, ma'am.
Bon après. Now, when I say après, I again leave this S silent. We do not say bon après. It's après. Bon après midi. Okay, shall I erase it? Wait, I'll just take a
Yes,
picture.
ma'am.
I'll just take a picture. I'll post it on the class group so that everybody does it. Whosoever is not attending. Okay, next. After it, what do we have? We are going to learn a little introduction. How to introduce oneself in just 2 lines. Can you introduce yourself, any one of you, in English? What is the introductory line that you always use? How do you give your introduction?
Hello, my name is Yashtikyani.
Yes.
Can be my friend. Can you
Okay.
be my friend?
First of all,
Or I
your
will be-
introduction always begins with your name, right? Your introduction always begins with your name. Second thing, what do you include in that? What do you include in your introduction? Maybe your age, maybe the place, maybe the
My
place you
hobby.
live in.
Ma'am, name, ma'am,
Or
name.
my hobby is
Yeah.
this.
Yes, my hobby, your hobbies, your name, your age, and the place where you live, the place where you study, right? These are all general things we include in our introduction. So how do we introduce, how do we tell our name in French? In French, we don't say my name is. While giving the introduction, we say I call myself. Suppose I want to tell you my introduction. So in French, if I would translate the sentence, the translation would come out, I call myself Neha. All of you know my name? All of you already know my name? How many of you didn't know it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I know.
Very nice.
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Good. Okay, one more request, children. Please open your cameras. This is how you sit in other classes also. Which teacher accepts you to sit like this? Tell me. You should know the rules to sit in online class. Okay. So how do I tell you in French? Now listen to me very carefully. Je m'appelle Neha Pahwa. Je m'appelle. Now what is this je m'appelle? Je m'appelle means I call myself. Can anybody make any guess that this word yama, what does it begin with? Which alphabet does it begin with? Any
Your
guess?
name. Why?
Okay. Any other guess? He's saying Y.
S.
Very good. S. Very nice. Anything else? Je m'appelle. Yes?
L.
Okay. See, that is why I say when we pronounce French, it is altogether a different pronunciation. In English, if I would have said je m'appelle, then it would have definitely begun from alphabet Y. Why? Because we know words like yummy, you, yell. So they begin with alphabet Y. But here in French, whenever we have je, the word begins with alphabet J. What does it begin with? J. Beta, you are supposed to use in class 6, I think you're supposed to use pen in your copies. Isn't it? How do you write other subjects? With a pen, no?
Yes, ma'am. In fifth class also we have
Yes. So use
pen.
pen only. Now, how do we write Yamapel? J-E. J-E in French means I. I. Okay? It is pronounced as je. Then I have to say je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. That means I call myself. This M stands for myself. Je stands for I. And appel stands for call. So what does it become? Everybody speak. Je
Ma'am, we
m'appelle.
have to write this.
Of course you have to write it. How can you remember it if you will not write it? Je m'appelle and your name after it. So I am going to write here Neha Pahwa. Je m'appelle Neha Pahwa. I call myself. And then let's learn another line. Right now, we're not going to learn as much as we write in English, but the next line that you can do is I call myself this, and next line, let's take I am a girl or I am a boy. What you're going to write? You're going to write I'm a girl or I'm a boy. So if you are a boy, you will write je suis. Je suis. Je suis means I am. A stands for a. But for a which is masculine, there are two different a in French. One which is used before masculine nouns and the other one which is used before feminine nouns. So what is used before feminine nouns? That's une. Only boys will write this sentence. Je suis un, what is a boy? Garçon. I am a boy. Je suis un garçon. Everybody speak. Je suis un garçon. I am a boy. I call
Je
myself
suis un garçon.
garçon. Beta garçon. C-O-N.
Je suis.
Je suis. It's not je suis, it's je suis. How do you say? Je suis.
Je suis. Je suis.
Very good.
Je suis.
Je suis un garçon.
Garçon.
Je suis un.
No,
Je
not
suis un
un.
garçon.
See, if you say un, it
Je
becomes
suis
wrong.
un garçon.
If you say un, it becomes wrong. Un is what? Un is English pronunciation of un. But in French, it is pronounced un. What is it
Je
pronounced?
suis un garçon.
Garçon bhi nahi hota. Garçon. Okay? N.
Je suis un garçon.
Again, un. Je suis un garçon. Je suis un garçon.
Je suis un garçon.
Very nice. Very close, Hamza. Je suis un garçon.
Je
Okay.
suis un garçon. Je suis
What
un
about
garçon.
Ayan? What about Soham, Malik Parsi, Yash, and other boys in the class? When are you going to practice? Huh? After the class?
Je suis un garçon.
Very nice. Je suis un garçon.
Je suis un garçon.
And ma'am, for
Je
girl,
suis un
Yes. For
but
girl,
ma'am,
I'm
for
telling.
girl,
For girl also, I'm telling. Now see, French language, like Hindi language, is based on genders. Okay? If I say I am a girl or I am a boy, only girl and boy is getting changed. My is not changing, right? But in French, all articles, is what? Is indefinite article, right? The is definite article. So all these articles depend on the gender of the noun. Here, what is garçon? It is masculine gender. Boy kya hota hai? Boy comes under masculine gender, right? So that is why we place before it. But if suppose we are talking about a girl, girl is what? Feminine gender. So our would change to une. Une. Everybody say what is it?
une.
Une. This will remain
Une.
same. I am will
Une.
remain same. I am a boy.
Une.
I am a and girl. What is girl in French? F-I-L-L-E. Je suis une fille. How do you say this
Fille.
sentence?
Just
Just
fill
you.
Just fuel and see.
Okay, listen to me one more time. One more time.
Just you and ski.
No, beta. See, देखो. Je suis. Everybody say.
Just
sweet.
we.
Je suis.
Just
Now,
we.
there is one more rule in French. One more rule that the word is S-U-I-S. Okay. What is this? S is what? A consonant. Now we are having right after this. Everybody listen to it very carefully. Right after this consonant, what do we have? U is what? A vowel. Right? It's a vowel. So we are going to carry forward the sound of S along with U. This is called liaison. Liaison is carrying forward the sound of previous consonant with the next vowel. तभी हम यहाँ बोल रहे थे je suis un. And here we are going to say je suis une.
Just squeeze you.
Just squeeze you.
Very nice.
Just
Just
squeeze you.
we you.
Je
Just
suis
squeeze
une
you.
and je suis un. Je suis un garçon. Je suis une fille. Fille is a girl. F-I-L-L-E. And double L has to be silent wherever it appears.
Just
You will-
squeeze you feet.
Fee.
Very nice.
Just squeeze you feet.
Je suis une fille. Okay. If I say Pratishtha, open your camera and give me your introduction. Both the lines, telling your name and your age.
What we written after just with you?
Yes?
Ma'am, what is
What I have written? I have written Je suis une fille. F-I-L-L-E. Fille is a girl. Garçon is a boy. Try it out, beta. Anybody else can try it out?
is with you feet?
Yes. Je suis une fille. Je suis Pratishtha Singh. Je suis une fille.
Ma'am Susan.
Je suis une. Une. What is the word? It's U-N-E. U-N-E.
Squeeze garçon.
Very good. Je suis you. But who said je suis un garçon? Pratishtha, you said it.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा आप boy थोड़ा ना हो, आप girl हो ना. So what is a girl? Girl is fille. So you're going to say je suis une fille.
Just you see.
Very nice. Je suis. सुई होती है हिंदी की सुई धागा.
Yes, ma'am.
It's the same. Je suis une fille.
Just you see.
Very nice. And how do you tell your name? How will you tell your name? Je m'appelle Pratishtha. Okay?
Je m'appelle. Okay, ma'am.
Now say both the lines. Who can say both the lines together? Your name and who you are, boy or girl. Who can say both the lines together? Tell me.
I can say.
Ma'am,
Very
I can
good.
say,
Speak,
ma'am, I
speak.
can.
Very nice. Speak. I want to listen to you guys.
Ma'am, can you please tell what I will call my
Ma'am,
name?
can I speak? Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Hamza, speak.
J Ma Pel A Muhammad Hamza J Sui An Garso.
Anybody else? बेटा it's not J. J तो है ही नहीं. French में you will learn whole French, entire French, and you will not find this pronunciation of J. J, D, T exist ही नहीं करते French में. ठीक है? We have soft pronunciations like J, T, D. Okay? There is nothing like J in French. So what do we say? We say je m'appelle. Je. Like it is sounding like alphabet Y. How do we say Q?
Ma'am, I can say.
Yes. Say
Jama Pel.
Jama Pel, Soham Agarwal,
Jama Pel.
very
Jama
nice.
Pel.
Angwaso.
Je suis un garçon. Je suis un garçon. Clear?
Just Garso.
Je m'appelle Soham Agarwal. Je suis un garçon. Very nice. So I hope something went into your minds, children. You
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to, yes. In the next class, when we meet, I'm going to ask you these questions. Okay? You have to
Okay,
remember
ma'am.
the way we greet each other in different times of the day and how you introduce yourselves. Okay? Now go and join your next class. Bye to all of you. Any doubt? Anyone has any doubt?
No, ma'am.
If anybody
Ma'am,
has
can you
any,
please spell? Ma'am, can you please spell the gender of the girl? One
Girl-
second.
Jama
gender
Pel.
of girl, बेटा आप खुद बताओ जेंडर गर्ल का
Jama
जेंडर
Pel.
क्या होगा?
Ma'am, what we say girl in French?
Yes, the
Fee.
pronunciation. The pronunciation is fee. F-E-E. School fee होती है?
Yes, ma'am.
बस exactly the same. Je suis une fille.
Ma'am, what we said, ma'am in French?
Ma'am.
Just Sui Jun in Anfi.
Ma'am is madame. M-A-D-A-M-E. How many of you have heard the brand Madame? Mall में भी है Madame का store, right?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Just wait, 6C students. So we call it, that's Madame, not Madame. What do we say? Madame. Okay,
Madam.
children. So here, let's end the class because other class students have already started joining. So I'll end the meeting
Okay,
here.
ma'am.
Bye to all of you.
Bye, ma'am.